Smoky bacon cornbread casserole. We're going to start with 1 pound of breakfast sausage, as well as 6 to 8 pieces of chopped up bacon thrown in there together. Just get them a little stirred up on the bottom there. And then we're going to throw in drained corn, as well as cream style corn. Now we're going to get to the creamy ingredients. Got cream of mushroom. Get that thing out of there. As well as 1 cup of sour cream, which is this whole packet. Once you get your sour cream out of there, this part is optional, but we're going to throw in 1 pack of ranch seasoning mix. If you don't like ranch, just leave that part out. And finally, 8 ounces of Velveeta cheese. Get all those ingredients stirred around in there together. Once you have it kind of mixed up, put the lid on. You're going to put it on low for 3 hours before our next step. All right, after 3 hours, go ahead and take the lid off. Give it a little stir, get that cheese kind of mixed around in there so it's nice and distributed. And once you've given it a little stir, we're going to come over here to our mixing bowl, make our cornbread batter. We're going to put in a packet of Jiffy cornbread mix, as well as a 1/2 cup of milk and 2 eggs. We're going to whisk that together. All right, once you've whisked that together, you're going to take that batter and pour it over the top of this. Try to get it evenly poured over the top, because you don't want to stir this. All right, and once you get your cornbread batter on there, we're going to put it on high for another hour to hour and a half. All right, after it's been about an hour, hour and a half, go ahead and take it off. It should look a little golden brown like that. What do you think, sweetie?
Looks yummy.
So go ahead and just dig in. You just scoop it out. Make sure you get that creamy base with it. Look at that. Yum. That's some good home cooking right there. I'm gonna get a little bit more of the base here. Oh yeah. Look at that. Y'all. Oh, that is good. Y'all, this is the tastiest crock pot cornbread recipe I've ever had. No lie. Try it at home.